Castleman. Our business is Castleman Plumbing, and most of our work is in the commercial sector, and yeah, we do everything from the ground up right through the building, sewer, water, drainage and roofing work. Some of our other work includes excavation work for sewage drains, stormwater drains, fire services, water services. We also have a 1.7 tonne mini excavator for hire for excavation and post hole digging. Today we're here at the Creswick Hospital. We're doing it's a project for Hepburn Health Services. It's an aged care facility, and there are 14 ensuite bathrooms, and we've done all the plumbing here, starting in the ground with the sewer drainage, civil stormwater drainage, moving up to subfloor, doing the above ground sewer drain and stormwater drainage, hot, cold water. At the moment we're up inside the building, roughing in hot and cold water and waste pipes and vent pipes, and then we'll move on to the fit-off in maybe a month or two. Fit-off involves installation of the sanitary fixtures like basins, toilets and tapware. Once we finish the fit-off, we hand over to the client and issue a certificate of compliance.